world's a pressure cooker, boiling point inside. Knife at our throats, living on a tightrope night after night. Primal instinct screaming, gotta fight to survive. But society's chains keep us barely alive. Caught in the crossfire of nature and law, yearning for peace with teeth and with claw. Building a cage with ideals so grand, but the fire in our hearts is slowly turning to sand. Used to chase the skyline with hunger in our eyes. Now the thrill of the climb feels like a distant prize.